In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the zoom tools that are found in AlignMix. Now, the best way to zoom in and out of your map is to use the scroll wheel that is found on your mouse. And as you push that scroll wheel forward, you zoom in, and as you retract that scroll wheel, pulling it back, you zoom out. If you're not using a scroll wheel on a mouse, I highly recommend you do get a mouse that has that scroll wheel. It will make navigating AlignMix much easier. We also have the zoom in tool and the zoom out tool here on the left on the home menu. The zoom in tool, when you click it on a map, will zoom in one zoom level. You can also click, drag out a square or rectangle and let go, and the map will zoom into that square that you've just created. Clicking on the zoom out button will zoom out by one zoom level. You can also click on the zoom 100% out button and it will zoom out all the way so you can see the continental US on the screen. So let's go back to our zoom tool and zoom all the way in here. We also have a keyboard shortcut. If you type in Control and the number 0, it will zoom you all the way out. So instead of using that zoom out button, you can use the keyboard to do the same thing. Any of these zoom options can be used at the district level or region level, and even if you've created some thematic maps. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the zoom tools in AlignMix.